Right, okay, a very quick video. We're going to try and make a little planet using polar coordinates. So, the first thing you need to do, you need to resize your image to make it a square. So just go to Image, Image Size, make sure the little link there isn't highlighted. Now whatever your longest side is, make the other side the same. So in this case it's 1600 on both. Now you need to unlock the background layer, else you won't be able to move it. So just double click it and that makes it an active layer. Just ignore that, cancel that bit. Right, next thing that you need to do, you need to click the move tool, which is at the top of the left hand toolbar. Then click on one of the anchor points and should have had it on the screen to fit so I can see what I'm doing properly. Drag that to the top left hand quarter of the screen. Yeah. Then right click on the layer in your layers panel and click duplicate layer. Click OK. Then go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Get the Move tool again, click on that layer and drag it across till it clicks in place. Right, now you can either tidy up these two to get rid of that bit of a line there, or you can mess with it later. I'm going to do it now. So hit the washing machine symbol, which is to put a layer mask on. Make sure your brushes are set to black and white. Select a black brush. Get a soft one and just run over that edge. Gone too far, so click the white one to put it back in a little bit. Oh, it's as near as, damn it. Right, flatten, right click on the layer, flatten image. Right, now we need to crop it again. Go to your crop tool and then just crop it up so you've got no white showing. And make sure I've got that fit screen. Right. Now you've got it like that, we need to make it square again. So again, go into Image, Image Size, and make them both the same. So whatever your larger number is, make the other one the same. Click OK. And then it really distorts it like that. Now, what you do now is you go to Image, Image Rotation, Flip Canvas, Vertical. Okay? Right, now the fun bit. Go to Filter, Distort, Polar Coordinates. Make sure it's set to Rectangle to Polar and click OK. And there you've got that. Right. Now you can just crop it from there. And get rid of most of the black bits. And then you could clone these black bits. So you can get a stamp tool, clone, biggest brush, click Alt to select where you're taking the clone from, and just clone in some clouds. That doesn't look too bad now. Right. Zoom in. And if there's any funny lines or bits that don't look right, just tidy it up a little bit with the spot healing brush or the patch tool, healing tool, clone tool. I'm just going to use a bit of the spot healing brush down there. See what it does. It'll get rid of most of it. If you're using Photoshop CC, you could always use content aware fill as well. So draw around it. Right click on it. Click fill. Content aware. The shortcuts as well that you can do. That's not done it very well actually. We'll undo that fill. And use a clone instead. Now I've only done it roughly. Be a bit more neat yourself when you do it. That is very, very basic. Little planets, little world. But you can do all sorts of things now. You could cut out the water out of the middle and you could put something else in there. You could put something over the top. You could put more clouds in. You could put, well, you can do whatever. There's all sorts of things that you can do with it. You could find some more clouds, put more clouds in. You could take a circle, that's as near as damn it. Right click, select inverse, so that makes everything outside of the circle active. Take a paintbrush, pick a colour that matches what you've already got around there. So you can double click on your colour thing there and find colours. You can do it that way. Or you can press the Alt key. Well, select your brush tool, press your Alt key, and you can select a colour using that. See, it's gone there. Make your brush big. Paint all over there. You can do that. You can do all sorts of things. Right, that's how you do that one. Right, night scenes work pretty well as well. Right, so again, image size, the longest edge is the width again, so make the height the same as the width. Click OK. Going out today, right at last. Hit the move tool. Oh, unlock the layer. Unlock the layer. Just double click on it to make the layer active and then get rid of that. It just gets rid of that padlock on it and then you can do things. Top of your toolbar, the move tool. And then left click on one of the little squares on the layer, and then just drag it into the top quarter, or as near as damn it don't have to be perfect. Click the tick to OK it. Then go back to your layers panel, right click, duplicate layer, OK. Go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. Get your move tool again, left click on that part of the image, drag it across there, and set it, and then you can mask a bit out where the join is. Just tidy it up a little bit as you're going along. That's as near as damn it, you can sort more out later. Right click on the layers, flatten image. Go back to your crop tool and crop it so you've got rid of all the white. Then again, you've got to make it square. Go back into image, image size, note the biggest side, make the other side the same, click OK. Okay. Now go into image, image rotation, flip canvas vertical. Filter, or not, filter, distort, polar coordinates. There you go, there's Liverpool. Now, and again, you can crop it. Just move it around a bit so you've got it where you want it. Okay. And then you just need to tidy up all the joins and bits and pieces. Maybe spot a healing brush, can try that. Might work. Not doing a bad job on this one. Just use a clone stamp. And you don't have to do this, you can just crop it in a bit tighter. Whoa. And then you can do other things with this. Right, well anyway, that's that one. That's what you can do there. Right, okay. Another way to edit. Right, this one. I did this one the other day. I'm going to do, this is slightly different. Again, go to image, image size, make both sides the same. So in this case, the height is bigger than the width, so make the width the same as the height. 4962. Click OK. Right, so it's distorted it a bit. Now, get the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle, put size 1, full length on the left hand side, go to edit, copy, edit, paste, edit, transform, flip horizontal. Get the move tool, drag it over to the other side. Because I want these edges to match. It probably would match really without doing all this, but some images, you've just got to get the edges. The left hand side's got to match the right hand side. That's okay. Right, hit the washing machine symbol, which is your mask. Make sure you've got a black brush. And just take that edge off there. And that's that. Right, right click. Flattened image. You don't need to turn it upside down for this one. Go to filter, distort, polar coordinates. Rectangle to polar. And there you go. It's there. It works well with minimal objects and with a good separation with the base and the background, and you get something like that. So you can then unlock the layer, hit your move tool, and you can rotate it, I think. Yes, you can rotate it around and put that the right way up like that. Click OK. Now get your elliptical marquee tool and draw a circle that's going to near enough match that circle that it's made there. Right click, select inverse, and that makes the outer part active. Paintbrush, press the Alt key and then select a colour that's the nearest or something that's going to complement the rest of the image, and then just paint over that. If you don't like the colour, use the Alt key again, pick another colour. It's maybe better, a bit darker. And that's how you do that one. You can add all sorts of things on it. You could take that flower, or find some more flowers, and you could put flowers around the edges. You can do all sorts of things. But anyway, that is how you do polar coordinates. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.